Working well. Picking you up top shelf. Night, Jim. Enjoy the day in Hawaii. For Radio 149 Rich.
Hey, check. Just wanted to try out the Y-Quad there. How's this thing coming at you?
Oh, beautiful signal. Good, strong voice here. Looks like, I don't know, I've got to be in the pluses and the meter.
QSL there, Rich. Okay, my friend, you take care and happy DXing out there. Good to make the contact with you there. AM side kind of slowed down, so I figured I'd come up here and get a couple of DX out. Take care, Rich. God bless. World Radio 15. Aloha.
Aloha to World Radio 15. Jim in the Hawaiian Islands. Some of the blessings right back to you. They look like 8.5 and then 9.5 on the signal. But I have here at speaker line, it cuts down the signal a little bit, gets rid of the noise levels. So it's real strong. And hearing you, no problem at all. So you must be in the 15 or 20s there without the here at speaker in line. All right, you take care in Hawaii. Hey, Jim. We'll catch you again. And that Beam doing a fantastic job. The radio, too, and the microphone. All right, enjoy. A big aloha to you from Richie Rich in Northern Cal.
Take care, Rich. 15, let you go with the Entron. I'm gone. Aloha.
Aloha.